Standard 4th Mathematics Division. Dividing a two-digit number by a single digit number. Two-digit number by a single digit number. 4 is here and 84 is here. Say that multiplication table of 4 till you get 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 we have got here. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Take this 4 down. This 4 is remaining. Take this 4 down. Now we shall be dividing this 4. Say the multiplication table of 4 till you get 4. 4 1s are 4 we got here. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. "58 divided by 3. 58 we shall be writing here and 3. Say the table of 3 till you get, we are taking this 5 number 5 first. Directly we are not taking 58. 5. Say the table, multiplication table of 3 till you get 5 or more than 5. So we are saying the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 means greater than 5. So we will not take that. We will not take that 6. We will take 3 1s are 3. So we have written here 5 minus 3. Do the subtraction. 5 minus 3, 2 is here. Then bring this 8 down. So 8 we are writing here. Now this we are doing the division here. Say the table of 3 till you get 28 or more than 28. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. 3 10s are 30. 30 is greater than 28. So we will not take 3 10s are 30. We will take 3 9s are. 3 9s are 27 we have taken. So 28 minus 27 is equal to 1. Check this division. 21 divided by 4. 21 divided by 4. Check the first number. First number. This 2 is smaller than 4. In such sums, what we have to do? We cannot directly do the division. So what we will, because we have to say the table of 4 and 4 is already greater than 2. So what to do? So we will say the table of 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 already it is greater than 2 means 4 1s are 4, directly it will come. We cannot take. So which one we can take? 4 zeros are 0. So we have taken 4 zeros are 0. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring this one down. Now 21 is here. The same we are doing the division. Say the table of 4 till you get 21 or greater than 21. 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. 24 is greater than 21. So we will not take that 24. We will take 4 5s are 20 and do the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So keep on practicing. It is very easy to solve all the division sums. Keep on practicing more and more sums in your notebook. Thank you.